Do you want to prevent the remote computer from using the internet through the default gateways and allow it to use the secure tunnel that DirectAccess generates? If so, then we will go over that in this video. For a more in-depth look at the topic, be sure to check out the article in the description. If your system has Group Policy Editor, let's look at this first. Open Group Policy Editor. Navigate to Computer Configuration, then Administrative Templates. Network. Network Connections. Look for a policy, route all traffic through internal network. Double-click on it. Select Enabled, then click Apply and OK. Restart and check to see if the settings took. If you want to do this in Registry Editor, since we will be looking at tweaking the registry, it is a good idea to first create a backup of the registry, a system restore point, or both. Then open the Registry Editor. Navigate to HKey Local Machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft, and Windows. Right-click on Windows to create a new key. Call it TCPIP. Then right-click on that to create a subkey of it. Call it V6 Transition. In the right pane, we're going to create a new string value. Call it force underscore tunneling, then double-click on it. In the value data, set it as enabled in order to allow it and disabled to block it. Then press OK and restart your system. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.